Hey there, coders. Welcome back to another exciting episode in our Rust programming series. Today, we are diving into an essential concept in Rust, that is compound data types. By the end of this series, you will know how to create, use, and manipulate compound data types effectively in your Rust program. So, let's get started. First, compound data types is of two types. That first one is tuple, and second one is array. First, we take tuple. So, let's see tuple. What are tuple? In Rust, tuple are a type that lets you group multiple values. Each value in a tuple can have different type, and and the order of value matters. Once created, the size of a tuple is fixed, meaning you can't add or remove elements. Now let's open up your editor and see how it works. And this 1 minute. First, we will see how to create and access tuple elements. Open up your editor. So let's create one variable named tup1 and specify the type. Here we declare a tuple named tup1. The tuple contains three values. First one is 500, is of type i32, that is a 32-bit integer. Second one is 6.4, that is type of f64, means a 64-bit floating point number. And third one is 1, that is type of u8, means 8-bit unsigned integer. The type annotation i32 f64 u8 explicitly defines the type of element in tuple. Now we use println macro to print each element one by one. Here we use dot method to print the value. tup1 dot 0 prints first element of tup1. Now let's print second value and third value. As we know, indexing starts from 0. So dot 0 prints 500, dot 1 prints 6.4, and dot 2 prints 1. Now now we see how to destructure a tuple. Let's create one tuple, that is tup2, and give them some value 6.6, let's say 6.6, 9.9, and 100. Now let's destructure them. In this line, let xyz equals to tup2. This line demonstrates destructuring. Destructuring is a technique to unpack the value of tuple into separate variable. Here, the first value of tup2, that is 6.6, is assigned to variable x. The second value 9.9 is assigned to y, and the third value 100 is assigned to z. One more time, what is destructuring? Destructuring is a convenient way to access all elements of a tuple in one step. Instead of using dot notation multiple times to extract individual values, destructuring simplifies the code by directly assigning each element to a variable. Now use print method to access all element. X is equals to 6.6, y equals to 9.9, and z is equals to 100. A quick recap. Tuple are a great way to group related values with different types. They are easy to create, access, and destructure, making your code cleaner and more efficient. By using destructuring, you can simplify your code and directly work with individual. And that's all for this video. I will see you next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.